from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and today is recreation, inspiration. That's it. Our host is Lowly D's Creations and Lady in Red Crafting. Please check out their channels. And also our amazing guest, I'm merely Melissa. And also check out the amazing creators in the playlist. This month, I did something a little different. I created 2 projects that was inspired by things I'd seen on my Facebook feed. Yeah, Facebook. I got a lot of creative friends on Facebook, and these are 2 projects that some of my friends were doing. One of them I thought, that is really neat. You could use that in so many different ways. One, you could use it as a snow globe to decorate with. And the other, you can use it as like a mini gift basket. So it's kind of neat. I thought it would be a fun project to bring this time of year. This would be great for the lady was using it for coworker gifts and neighbor gifts and for teacher gifts. So I thought, this would be something where you could give a small gift to a neighbor, a teacher, a coworker, and it's cute and inexpensive, and you could put little things in it. So here we go. I've seen these being made on my Facebook. On Facebook, you get one of these round circles from the Dollar Tree, and if you don't like the print on it, you could wrap this with ribbon or even the faux fur around the collar if you didn't like it. To me, it doesn't matter. I'm just using this as an example. And a little trick, you can use these in 2 ways. And since I'm just doing a demonstration on how to make these and what you can do with them, and you just glue a bowl on top like that. Now let's so you have it like this. Then you can either add some foam and add some of this and do you a snow scene in there and add another bow, and you have a snow globe. I have to move. Okay, we've glued our tree base on top of our bowl. You can either add one of these little things, and these are just dusters, which you can divide these in half. These aren't. You can divide these in half like this. Well, not quite like that. And add your snow. You could add your bottle brush trees and a snowman or a deer inside. And then all you have to do is either glue it or tape it to make your snow globe. But if you wanted to do, you could also do this. Add some gifts and things and make like a tiny gift basket for your neighbor, your co-worker, for your friends, for something different. And then just take your tape and seal the edge. Like so. There was a lady on my Facebook. She did these for her co-workers. And she added some greenery and a bow on top, which we'll do that. Okay, let's make a bow. And this is where it's fine on both sides, so you don't have to worry about doing the twists, which makes it so much easier if you're new to bow making. Look for ribbon that's double-sided. I think I'm going to do about 3 loops. And the wind is terrible here today, if you hear it. Well, there we go. Here's one. When you twist the ribbon and not the pipe cleaner. If not, there's a chance you can bust your pipe cleaner, which is not a good thing. We'll dovetail the end. And there's our bow. All I do is put my thumb here and my 2 fingers here and just fluff out the loops. Well, you could take this sticker off. I'm going to add some hot glue to the back of our bow and just add the greenery onto the back of the bow. I'm going to make it where this is something that if they want to take this off and use it on a wreath, I'm not going to cut the pipe cleaner. I'm going to just kind of hide it underneath. Because if they want to pop this off and put this on an evergreen wreath, they'd already have their bow. Okay, there's our gift or a snow globe, whichever way you want to make it. And of course, like I said, you could redo this in ribbon or even these. You could cover it with these if you didn't like it. Whatever matches your style. You could do a snow globe. You could also do these as cute little gifts. Okay, we're going to do our gingerbread face. Now we're going to grab our white marker. We're going to just add, well, our little bow. And there is our little gingy ornament. My glue didn't stick. There's our little gingy ornament. And now I got it in the wrong place. There we go. Now I gotta move it. There is our ornament.